truly honored to be a part of a prime-time commercial radio station, FM Bole to Radio City 91.1.
I'm very proud and honored to be part of the jury of the first Radio City Freedom Awards, of course. But, you know, I've been associated with the music industry now for over 25 years. And I think India has always been a visual medium when it came to music because of the dominance of films. Apurva was talking about it just now. Films have always dominated the landscape, and it took the advent of an MTV.
To start with, yes, it's a very happy moment for me to be here. And as Apurva said some time back, lots of people accused radio stations of catering to Bollywood, and I definitely was one of them. I confess. I've been a part of this music industry for almost 16 years now. I think as a musician, I perfectly understand what it takes to go through the grind of trying to make your own music and trying to put it out, and knowing that you don't have a support system that takes your music across to reach across to the audience.
आज़ादी जो शब्द है वो हमारे देश से इतनी करीबी से जुड़ा हुआ है, and it is reminded to us every day in every way. We have the words freedom, we have the words independence, independent, and of course there's the word liberty somewhere here as well also, all meaning the same thing. Something just struck me when we were talking about independent music and independent artists, and when you know, you mentioned about the it's when aliens come to Earth, they're gonna find a new national anthem. It struck me that the national anthem is probably the first independent piece of music that was ever created by Mr. Rabindranath Tagore, who was not even a musician, you know, but he wrote the song, and that's the song that we all sing whenever we go and see a film.
Like Apurva said, we have 400 artists, wonderful artists who are supporting us in this. Before I talk to you about the processes, I would like to thank the jury once again. Their unconditional support. We just had to ask them only once, and they all said yes, and they supported. Thanks for your faith in us. Thank you so much. Moving on to the nominations. Our nominations start tomorrow. That is the 6th of April. And it will go on till the 5th of May. Well,
actually, part of the lyrics were written by me, and part of it has been written by my friend, Shaleen Sharma, who used to be a member of Aghosh. If you remember, there used to be a band called Aghosh many years back. Shaleen and I wrote the song together, but the music was composed by me. I've produced it, programmed, played, everything. I've done it. It's the title track of my album.
We are basically giving them trophies like any other award show. It's the recognition, basically. See, when they win, it's not just the trophy that they take. They take the, you know, the pride of being a winner, you know, at the first independent awards in the country. And I would say there would be a lot of positive rub-off, you know, that comes along with that. So I would say, you know, maybe a cash prize won't be that big, but the way we are going to be promoting them, the way they're going to be standing in front of the whole country as winners of these awards is more important.